Good morning, students. Today I am going to give Social Studies Chapter 4 Evolution of Transport Exercise and Question Answer. So please turn to page 37. Let us first begin with fill in the blanks. Number 1. Wheel is man's greatest invention. People traveled to distant lands in search of trade opportunities. Third, the British introduced the railways in India. Fourth, Magellan discovered the Strait of Magellan. Fifth, Mumbai was one of the best local train networks in the world. B. Right, true or false. 1. Development in transport technology allowed people to travel to distant places. True. Second, the mode of transport changed with the invention of the wheel. True. Third, some of the important ports in India are Kandla, Mumbai, Marmagao and Chennai. True. Fourth, air transport has no use during floods, droughts, earthquakes and other calamities. False. 5, the oldest wheel was discovered in India. False. C, match the following. 1. Ferdinand Magellan, Strait of Magellan. Wheel, Potter's wheel. Indian Railways introduced by the British. Sledge, dog, merchant, Marco Polo. Now let us discuss question answer. D, answer the following questions. First one, list some of the uses of wheel. Wheels made traveling easier and also helped animals in carrying loads comfortably. Wheels came to be used in other areas as well, such as in pottery, wheelbarrows, spinning wheels, water wheels, windmills and pulleys. Question number 2. What are the various means of land transport? Describe any two. Answer. Land transport is the oldest form of transport. It includes various means such as bullock carts, bicycles, motorbikes, cars, buses, trains and metros. Bullock carts and horse carts are still the most common and cheapest means of transport in rural India. Motorbikes and cars have emerged as the most widely used type of land transport. They can be used for both small journeys and long road trips. Railways are an important means of land transport. They have played a major role in the movement of goods and passengers for hundreds of years. Question number 3. How did domestication of animals help in trade? The early man domesticated animals and used them as means of transportation. They created carts which were pulled by animals. This helped him in trade. Question number 4. How did trade influence travel? At first, trade was limited to nearby villages, but with advancement in technology and trade, people started traveling to places which were far away. To look for new trade opportunities, explorers traveled to distant lands, often discovering new nations, cultures, and trade routes. Question number 5. In what way is air transport useful to us? Air transport is useful to us by the following ways. Point number 1. Aeroplanes and helicopters are used to transport people, light goods and also mail. Bit number 2. Air transport has made it possible for people to move to other countries. Bit number 3. Air transport has immense importance during floods, droughts, earthquakes and other calamities. Question number 6. Who was Ferdinand Magellan and what did he discover? Ferdinand Magellan was a young explorer who served in the court of Queen Leonora of Portugal. He discovered what is now known as Strait of Magellan and became the first European to cross the Pacific Ocean. So with this we come to the end of the chapter. Thank you.